prizes. Is anyone ready for some science? Is anyone ready for some science? Yeah! Let's get started. All right, we're going to start over here on demonstration table number 1 with the elephant toothpaste. Take it away here, Chase.
I came all the way from the African savannah. This Dumbo has got a little toothache. I hope these dentists can help me.
Yeah, we can. We can make you some elephant toothpaste to help Dumbo, but first you have to put these on. They get a little out of hand sometimes. First, we're going to add some hydrogen peroxide. Has anybody used this to put on an injury? Yeah? And seen it bubble? Have you seen it bubble? Yeah? All right, well, it's not bubbling yet, but give it a minute. Then we're going to add something that I had to order from very far away, and I've never used it before. Dishwashing liquid.
I have dishwashing liquid at home.
I've seen it once.
What's going to happen? And we're going to mix it a little bit. It doesn't look like much is happening yet, but we have something that can speed it up.
So was in a hippo.
Right now. Just wait. Okay. We're going to add some sodium iodide to speed it up.
Whoa! Let's give it up for elephant toothpaste. My goodness. You know, it's taking me a lot of toothpaste for an elephant. Now I think, before we do our next experiment, do you guys know very much about science? Well, we have some trivia questions. We're gonna find out what you know. Here you go, Miss Emma.
Hey guys, I'm Emma, and this is Brendan. We're going to be asking you some trivia questions.
Yes, indeed.
Do you think they're going to win some prizes?
Absolutely, dude.
Alright. So it's time for the first question. Raise your hand, don't yell out. Is water a liquid, solid, or a gas?
Oh, they know. They know. They know.
What do you think it is?
Liquid.
Hey, that's good! Take all of it, take it all.
Whoa! Thank you, Miss Emma. Thank you, Mr. Brendan. We'll see you later. All right, guys. If you didn't get the trivia this time, don't worry. There will be more on the way. Okay. Lila, I see some spoons on that table.
Hi, my name is Carly. And my name's Lila, and today we're going to be learning about how different metals melt at different temperatures. Oh my goodness, what happened to my spoon? Carly, what kind of spoon did you give me? Gallium maybe? Gallium melts at a low temperature. That's why it burned it, basically. If you had given me a silver spoon like you were supposed to, it wouldn't have melted in front of all these people. Well, I mean, I have a silver spoon if you would like to use it. I'd be more than happy to prove you wrong. And I'll use this gallium. Why did mine melt? Well, because gallium requires a lower temperature to melt out, whereas silver requires a hotter temperature.
Unbelievable.
I know, and we're gonna disappear just like these spoons did and go on to the next experiment.
Let's give him a big round of applause. My goodness, did you see that spoon disappear? Wow. All right, now, I think we've had some very incredible experiments already. We've had some trivia. I think it's time for a couple laughs, don't you? Let's bring out the chemistry clowns. Hello, Adam.
Hello. I was wondering, have any of you guys seen my partner? He's about yay high. He's got an apron on, not an apricot. Apron on. And he's got blonde hair. I can't find him anywhere. Have any of you guys seen him? That's a woman. I haven't seen her. I guess I'll go look for him. You think I should go look for him?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's Chance. See, I described him well. Thank you for helping me find my partner. We'll be back in a few minutes for some more laughs.
Hey, Adam, before you go, I just wanted to ask you a quick question.
Yeah.
What has 4 legs and flies?
Is it 2 birds?
Yeah! Cool! Okay, goodbye. Stole my punchline. Stole my punchline. Okay, I've seen over here that this is labeled the chemist's clock. You can make a clock with chemistry, Sean?
Well, I mean, it's not really a clock. More like a timer, maybe.
Ooh, a timer!
Yes, it's actually, I think it's pretty cool, but it's not something that you should really try, maybe, but I think it's pretty cool.
So tell me, what are we gonna see here, Sean?
Well, I like to call it a bit of black magic myself, but I know, I mean, not really, but I think it's pretty cool.
All right, well, so he's just trying to do some black magic going on. All I see is just a clear liquid. He's pouring into a glass, and Taylor has a clear liquid. He's going to pour that in. Guys, nothing happened. Nothing happened, Sean. Nothing. Whoa! Spooky. Let's give a hand for the camera. Tanya, you seem a little upset.
Yeah, I am.
I mean, my goodness, Tanya, what happened?
So, like, there's this super hot guy that I know, right? His name is Sam. He is smoking.
I know.
But, like, I totally have, like, a huge crush on him, but the problem is, like, I'm super ugly.
Don't have to tell me, I know.
He says I look like a guy? Like, whatever. I'm just a natural. But it's okay, because my mom, she told me how to make a love potion.
A love potion, Tanya.
Yeah, and it'll make any guy come.
It's so good. It's so
I am so jealous.
So you're supposed to take 2 liquids and they're both clear. And she said, like, they're supposed to, like, I don't know, turn pink. I doubt it. So you put it right in there. I think that's about right. And you just get some of this. And it's okay if you overpour it. It really doesn't matter that much. So you just go like that. Whoops. And then you just. Whoa!
Oh, okay. It's pink like a love potion.
Hot guy. I think class just ended, so he should be like coming around here. Oh my god.
There he is. Oh, no.
Speaking of the devil, there he is. Okay, I'm gonna go talk to him.
Okay.
Hey, Sam Graham. So, like, my mom was like, she like made me Kool-Aid for lunch, and I was like totally wondering if you wanted to try something.
Yes, I would love some.
Awesome. Okay. Well, it looks different. It must be fine. Here you go.
Well, it feels great.
He's drinking the potion.
Bewitched. Oh my god!
Oh no, looks like that love potion didn't work out.
Did you see that? They found love and not me. No one loves me. I really am ugly.
Poor Tanya. Let's give him a round of applause. All right, now this next experiment's a little finicky, and so if it works out this time, it'll be amazing. But we actually can try this one twice if we need to. Mr. Brayton, I see you got a can there.
We're gonna crush it.
You're gonna crush that can? Are you gonna crush it on your face? What's the science way of crushing a can?
We're gonna put it in ice, and air is just gonna suck out, and it's just gonna collapse and be crushed by the air.
You're telling me you can use the air in this room to crush that can? Unbelievable. Well, I can't wait to see this. I cannot wait. All right. Mr. Stanley, would you like to narrate as he goes?
All right, so we're about to see some hardcore science action.
Whoa! Unbelievable!
I'll be right back.
Oh my goodness, they just crushed that can. Let me see here. I think it's time for a little bit of trivia. Anyone here want to answer a trivia question?
That experiment? Wasn't that cool? Okay, another topic. What is another name for H2O?
What?
Let's get somebody over here. You know their answer? Think so? You don't know? You don't know? How about you? Water? Yeah, it's water.
Hey! What did you get?
A test tube and some Oreos. Something to be. What's the next experiment?
You got an Oreo? You got Oreos? Well, that's okay, but a test tube, I mean. Cool. All right, now I'm looking over here. Hello, Miss Holly. Are you, there's not very much on the table right now.
Okay, hi, I'm Holly, and I'm Kiani, and we are about to make bubbles turn into smoke. Yeah, into smoke. So we're gonna heat some water up, and then once it's heated, you're gonna put some soap into the water. And then we're going to put a dry ice into the water.
Sometimes you need a little extra water. You got a volunteer?
Okay, do you want to come up?
And then clap your hands. Whoa!
All right.
Hey! Hey, John, give me a high five. Hey! All right, big round of applause, please, for Smoking Bubbles. Unbelievable. Now, we have seen some amazing experiments, but you know what I'm ready for? A good laugh. So we have some chemistry clowns. Chemistry clowns coming around here. Hey.
Hello, everybody.
Hello.
Thank you. Okay, you know, everybody's doing all this science. I mean, yeah, science is great, all that. But like Mr. Milligan said, I think we should have a few laughs. So
Everybody likes laughs.
yeah, Chase and I have prepared a couple jokes. We're gonna go back and forth. Hey, Chan.
What?
What kind of dogs do chemists have?
I don't know. What kind of dogs do chemists have?
Laboratory retrievers.
Good one.
I got a good one.
Oh yeah? What is it?
What did the pirate say on his 80th birthday?
I don't know. What did he say?
I'm 80. I'm 80. That was pretty good, Chance. I got one more. Are you ready? I know. I seem to be a little distracted. Okay, Chance, I got one last joke before we go.
I can count.
Is it a good one? Oh, you know it's a good one. What do you call a blind dinosaur?
I don't know.
Do you think he saw us?
Thank you, chemistry clowns. Let's give them a hand.
Sure thing, Mr. Milliken. All right, guys. Hi, my name is Santina, and with me today is my friend Sarah. Boy, so you guys are thirsty from eating all those cookies at lunch. I am too. So I'm gonna take a drink of this water right here.
Wait! I heard about this cool experiment where you take one drink and pour it into different cups and it changes.
So you're telling me that that water right there is gonna turn this into
Wine.
Prove it.
Do you guys think it'll work?
Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. We both know that they are way too young to be drinking alcohol. So how about turning that into, what was it, milk?
Okay.
Now let's make something saucy for our teachers out there.
Don't mind if I do. Thank you, Miss Santina. Let's give it a hand. Unbelievable. It's like magic every day in the chemistry lab. You know, are you enjoying your fire hat, sir? Let's see if we can hand out another prize. Miss Emma? What's our trivia question now?
First of all, it feels a little cold in here. Is it cold? What instrument would you use to measure temperature? Anything you can tell me? That's correct. Thank you. What experiment is up next?
Well, you know, they say that chemistry should always be done safely in a lab, and I don't particularly believe that. Some chemistry is best done at home with things you can just buy at the store. So, Miss Anna, Miss Lila, and Mr. Jared here are going to show you guys some great home chemistry.
Hi, I'm Lila. I'm Anna.
And I'm Jared.
And today we're going to show you a super cool experiment. Have any of you ever shaken your soda so much that when you take the cap off, it explodes everywhere? Well, this happens because the bubbles in your soda, when attached to any solid surface they can, they come from a gas called carbon dioxide, which is what we breathe out and plants breathe in. So, the bubbles are a gas, but the drink is a liquid. So the drink wants the bubbles to become a liquid as well. So the bubbles stick to the inside of the container, as you can see, and when they collide, that's what makes it fizz like this.
So imagine this, putting something like Mentos into the soda. Which means a bigger explosion.
So, do you guys want to see it in action? Cowboys like the Western movies? So right now we're gonna do a little Texas standoff.
Why can chemists solve any problem? Why is that? Because they've got all the solutions. I think my joke's better than that.
Oh, okay.
What do you call it when the queen toots? A noble gas.
That's enough of that. All right, I think we've got a fantastic bit of engineering here coming at you from Mr. Cole and Miss Lindsay. Please tell the folks what's going on here.
I'm Cole.
I'm Lindsay, and we made this hovercraft. So, y'all ever heard of those? Okay, well, we made our foam. So we made it out of some foam and duct taped in this plastic right here. And so what happens is this leaf blower, the air gets pushed through the leaf blower, and then it pulls up this skirt, this plastic skirt, which creates a thin layer of air at the bottom, which makes the hovercraft float. So we're going to demonstrate that for you guys.
How big did I get?
All right. Unbelievable. Thank you, Mr. Cole. Very, very cool. All right, I think we've got time for just one more prize to hand out here before we get into the third half of our show.
What instrument would you use if you wanted to see an object up close with more detail? A test tube, beaker, microscope, or a scale? Let's get somebody from the back. Let's get somebody back here. What do you think? Test tube, beaker, microscope, or a scale? That's correct. There's your prize.
A scale.
There'll be more.
All right, guys. Oh my goodness, did you bring trash up on stage, George?
Oh, I am from Spain, and in Spain our military is really undeveloped. So our bazookas shoot air. So right now we're gonna try.
Your bazookas shoot air?
Yeah, just air, only to scare people.
It sounds pretty scary, an air bazooka.
It does, it is.
Okay, let's see it. Well, we've got our trash can here, our air bazooka. We're getting it ready. What do you think this air bazooka is going to do? It's going to shoot some air? Fighting me a pirate.
I lost me gold. Well, that's the thing. I mean, I threw it right overboard. When did you see me gold? Did you see me gold? Oh, no. Here he comes.
Where's my doubloon?
I promise I don't know where it is.
Find me the doubloons in 5 minutes, or you walk the plank.
Oh, not the plank. And we also have some zinc chloride. Do you mind turning this on for me, Mr. Milliken? Let's move it to that one. So, what we do is we heat it up because we're going to have a chemical reaction. And then, we're going to clean the pennies off a little bit.
It smells good.
It smells good?
Yes. Yes.
And we're going to drop them in and see what happens.
You're giving the pennies a hot bath?
No, I'm trying to make a chemical reaction.
Oh, I thought you were like putting them to sleep, you know, with a bedtime story, a bath.
No.
Yeah.
No. So we're going to put this in this mixture and let's see if they'll turn color. Maybe we'll get some gold pennies. I just hope the captain doesn't come back before it's done.
What are you doing here, me hearty?
Oh, nothing. Don't look.
What's that behind you?
We're under attack!
What? None of my ship!
That was a close one. Okay, so let's see if the pennies change color. They're silver! But Mr. Milliken, I wanted gold pennies.
Oh no.
What are we gonna do?
You might have to walk the plank.
I don't want to walk the plank. Okay. I think I know what we can do. Maybe if we heat the pennies, it'll have another chemical reaction and it'll change from silver to gold.
Okay, we can try that.
So, can you give me some fire?
Yes.
I think so.
There's still more.
Okay. So we're gonna take our silver pennies out and we are gonna turn them to gold.
Can we show them that they're silver?
Yes.
Let's show them. Are you ready to go? Ooh! Yeah!
Look at this penny. It turned silver because it's science. Look at that. Okay, so are you ready to turn this penny gold so I don't have to walk the plank? Okay, let's get some fire. Is it turning? It's turning gold? There we go. Look at this. We just made a gold penny. Now the captain will never know that I lost his gold and I threw it overboard.
What?
Oh no.
I promise it was an accident, I swear, but look, I found better gold.
You found the lost man's gold!
Yes, I did.
Well then, you've been promoted to first mate.
First mate gets to
And
see
you know
what's
what
under
first
this.
mate? Guess. You get to see what's under there.
Legend says it was from an octopus.
Well, avast me hearties. Wasn't that incredible? Unbelievable. Do you turn your food into your money into gold? All right. Now, we've had, what have we seen so far today? We've seen bubbles and dry ice, air and foam. And I think it's time for some candy, don't you?
Hey guys, do you like candy? What about fire?
I have a great experiment for you. So, have you felt hyper after eating a bunch of candy? That's lots of energy.
So, who here likes Tootsie Rolls? Well, we have some. So first we're going to put our white powder, our compound in the test tube, potassium chlorate, and we're going to heat it up and then drop the candy in. So we're heating it up now.
The Tootsie Roll reacts with the chemicals in the test tube and creates smoke. Does anyone know if it's a physical or chemical change?
Yeah!
Yeah, that's right. Chemical change.
All right, we've heated the potassium chlorate, and now here comes Kaylin with the Tootsie Roll. Oh my goodness!
Thanks for being a great audience.
Could you you've had too much candy. Anyway, I think it's time for one more prize to come out.
Guess what? I got one of the gold pennies. Do you think I should give it to someone? Do you know that gold on the periodic table? Did you know that? Show them where it is. See, it's upside down. And your hat fell off. It's upside down. AU. Right there is gold. So who wants this periodic table and who wants this penny? You gotta answer this question. Which item would a magnet be attracted to? A rubber band, iron nail, plastic spoon, or wood? Let's see. Do you know? Can I answer choices again? Rubber band, iron nail, plastic spoon, or wood? That's correct. It was iron nail. So you get the periodic table.
Handing out gold pennies. My goodness. Well, the last few things we're going to see today all involve fire. They all involve fire. And this next one is going to be particularly spectacular. Mr. Troy, I see a bunch of, they look like salts.
That's correct.
Some of these salts are white and some are green. How are they different?
They're all different elements from the periodic table.
So why do you have a bunch of elements why do you have a bunch of different elements from the periodic table?
Light them on fire.
Excuse me?
I said we're going to light them on fire.
Would you guys like to see that? Yeah! All right. Take it away, Mr. Troy.
First off is strontium. Can you guys say strontium?
Strontium! Whoa!
Up next is barium. Can you guys say barium? And then sodium chloride. And then copper. Can you guys say copper? And then potassium. Can you guys say potassium? And we have calcium. Can you guys say calcium? And then last but not least, lithium. Can you guys say lithium?
Let's give one more round of applause for the flame test. That was lit, you know. All right, now let's. But I'm not the only one who tells jokes. Let's hear from the chemistry clowns one more time.
Hello, everybody. Hey, Chance.
Hey.
Why you got those goggles on?
Well, I just felt left out with everybody doing the experiment, so I thought we would do one.
How about that experiment?
I didn't like that.
Okay. Let's do a real one, okay? Do you have a banana there?
I do. As you can tell, it's a fresh banana.
Oh, yeah. Right off the vine. Bananas don't grow on vines. So what are we going to do?
Well, I figured we'd go ahead and peel it to see how slippery it is.
Oh, we're going to see how slippery it is. Okay, we'll peel it. Oh, we don't need that. Yeah, get that out of here. All right, so here, look, you want to train?
Sure.
All right, Chance, we're going to do a great experiment here. You trust me?
I trust you.
Step on that banana peel.
Okay.
Whoa! My goodness! Chance! Oh my, are you all right? Allow me to help you up. Here, thank you. Thank you so much.
And I'm Andrew.
And today we're going to be making shooting stars. How many of you have seen a shooting star? Are y'all ready to see these? Andrew, I think you need a card. I'll go first. We're going to burn magnesium. Did we use water? Raise your hand if you think we did. Okay, well, we're going to have one of our chemistry clowns come out here again to test this. Chemistry clowns. Hi.
Hello.
Does this taste like water?
Yeah, it tastes like water.
Does it feel like water?
It feels like water.
Is it water?
I'm not sure. Hit me again. Yep, that's water.
Does anyone else see if it's water?
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. All right, that was incredible. I didn't know I was going to come to school and see a shooting star today. Well, let me see here. My goodness, I see them lighting a candle here. James, I see you holding a piece of glassware, but it looks like it's empty.
Yeah, do y'all see anything in here?
No! Wait, so you're telling me there's nothing in there?
Doesn't look like it.
Mr. James, if there's nothing in there, then why did you bring nothing to the chemistry show?
I think I'm gonna try to make some fire out of nothing.
Fire out of nothing?
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
What?
Well, apparently it is nothing. Well, all right, let's leave you guys to it. We'll come back to this in just a moment. You might be getting it set up one more time. All right, in the meantime, I think we're going to travel over here. Mr. Jorby. Hello. Hello, Miss Kendrick. Jorby, where are your lab safety goggles? Thank you. Thank you, Fred.
Hi, kids. Who here likes money? Any of you guys have a dollar bill for me to use for this experiment? All right, Jorby, tell them what we're going to do today.
We're going to take this normal dollar bill and we're going to dip it in this mixture of water and isopropyl alcohol. What does that do to the dollar bill?
We're going to burn it. Are you guys ready?
There we go.
No, don't do it! Oh, no! Whoa!
Nothing happened. You guys want to see? Yeah! Is that bird? Want to feel it? Remember, kids? Oh, do you guys want to see it again?
Mr. James, is that nothing inside of that bottle?
Well, I put a little bit more nothing inside of it.
One can only hope. One can only hope. Now, I see you've got a ramp here. What are we expecting to happen?
Hopefully the ramp is going to catch on fire this time.
Well, that sounds exciting. All right, he's opening the bottle. There's nothing coming out. Kind of like last time. Oh, it's too late.
There's a draft in here, so I don't think.
All right, well, let's give Mr. James and Mr. Dave a sympathy round of applause. Nice try. There's one in every group, you know? Just one in every group. All right, guys, we have had so much fun putting on this chemistry show for you today. And we are already here on our last experiment of the day. Can you believe it? It's gone so fast. This is our last experiment of the day. And I just want to ask you guys, what has been your favorite experiment so far? And can you tell me what was your favorite experiment?
It was the one with the fire in a hole, like the first one.
Yeah, oh, I love that one. The first one with the fire. Can you tell me what was your favorite experiment?
Mine was the soda one. I like that.
Oh, when the can got crushed by the air in this room. Let's hear from one more. What was your favorite experiment, young lady?
The soda one.
Oh, I love that one so much. All right, well, let's bring it back over here to Miss Sarah Ann and Miss Maddie. And they're going to close us out with one sort of explosive demonstration.
Hello, everyone. My name is Sarah Ann, and this is Maddie. And today, well, Maddie, what should we do today?
I think we need to light some bubbles on fire.
That sounds like a great idea. So, you know how bubbles are normally filled with the gas that we breathe?
Yeah.
Like blowing up a balloon, right? Well, what happens if we fill the bubbles with a different gas? A flammable one. So, you have a bucket of soapy water, and you have a propane tank, and you're gonna put the tube to the propane tank in the soapy water, and wait for it to bubble up a little bit. It takes a little bit of time.
We're making some bubbles. We're still working on it.
I don't want to leave it.
It takes a little bit of time.
I saved the joke just for now. How do you know that God is a chemist? Well, he put an atom in the Garden of Eden. Have you heard that oxygen and magnesium are dating? I mean, OMG! Do you know that, have you ever heard that if you like baby ants, you know, baby ants like the insects, you know, they don't have any uncles. They don't have any uncles because all their uncles are ants. All right. Well, I think that's about all the time we're going to give it. So we've got some bubbles here that have been filled with a flammable gas. We're going to turn off that gas and remove it from the equation here.
Take a step back and... How cool is that?
Well, that's our chemistry show. It's just been an absolute pleasure to be here with all of you, and I think that's all we have. Would you like to say anything before we end?